my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing your work nicely. Because every day in the class you are asking also the queries which you are facing while solving the questions, and I'm hoping the solution you are getting. Okay, if still any query problem you have with yourself, please discuss with me in the classes. Okay, as we have already completed the conversion exercise. Okay, the last exercise was conversion of time. In that conversion of time we have learned how we used to convert the hour hand into minute hand into seconds, or hour hand in days into hours, or maybe we have learn how we used to convert hours into days, or seconds into minutes, or um, hours into minutes. Like this we have already completed. Okay, now we are going to discuss some more things on this, that is addition. Okay, addition is not the new thing for you all. We have already done the addition several times. Okay, and I know that addition, this chapter is very easy for you all and you will do it very nicely and quickly, because in addition we are already knowing we used to add the numbers. Here only one thing you have to keep in your mind, that two columns you have to make, and in these two columns you have to write one side minute and one side hour, and then you have to add it. Okay, that will be much more clear to you when I will explain you some examples. So as you can see, this exercise is easy. I have already said that this exercise is very easy. You are not going to face any problem in this exercise. But still, after exercise 65, we are going to move to six exercise, in which we are going to learn about addition. In question number 1, 2 is already is the space is already provided in the book, so you will do that in your book. Whereas question number 3 you have to do it copy. So when you are doing the question in copy, the way of the how you are arranging the numbers, that is very important. The minute, the hour, all the columns wise you have to write all the numbers. See, first of all, when we are doing addition or you are doing subtraction, here we are talking about only addition. So when we are doing addition, arrange in column of one column you made for hour and one column you made for minutes. Add or subtract. Okay, we used to add or subtract from the right side. Okay, from the right to left we used to move on. Okay, from the right to the left we used to move on. Add or subtract the minute means first we used to add from the lower. If the second is given, we will add second first, then we will add the minute first, and in the finally we will add the hours. If only minutes and hour is given, then we used to add the minute first, then the hour. Okay, like this only it used to go on. But it's very important to make the column, okay, for one for second, one for minute, and one for hour. This is the simplest example which I have taken for you. In this, just I have made two columns. One column I have written hour and one column I have written minute. I have written the numbers accordingly. Okay, one was given in hour, so I have written one just below the hour. 22 was given in minutes, so after 22, just below that I have written 22. In the same way, 2 is written in hours, so 2 I have written just below 1, and then 35 is given in minutes, so that I have written just below 22. After that I will add it. What I will do, I will add it. So I will start adding from the right side to the left side. So 2 plus 5 is 7, 2 plus 3 is 5, and 1 plus 2 is 3. We will get 3 hours and 57 minutes. See, in this question you can see one side you will write hour and one side you will write minute. 2 is written in hour, so 2 you will write just below hour. 30 is given in minutes, so you will write 30 just below minute. In the same way, 5 is given in hour, so you will write 5 in the hour column just below 2. In the same way, 20 is given in minutes, so 20 you will write just below 30 in the minute column. After that we will begin the addition from the right to the left. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 2 plus 5 is 7. So you will get 7 hours and 50 minutes. It's very easy. The normal addition which we used to do in the same way, only the units you have to write upside. That is, it is given in minute or second or hour or minute like this. Okay, that is necessary to mention upside. Okay, rest all things are similar. Okay, when we are adding all these two, we are getting the total or sum. Done. See, after that again two columns you have to make. Okay, one for hour and one for minute. You write the hour in the hour hand side and minute in the minute hand side. But here one thing more is there. Okay, what it is, like 0 plus 5 you are getting 5, 4 plus 5 you are getting 9. Okay, so 95 minutes you are getting, 95 minutes you are getting. And we are knowing this 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so it means that if we will subtract 95 minus 60, if we will do, we will get 35 minutes. Okay, this 35 minute we will write in the minute column, and this 60 minute which we have subtracted from this, that we will take in the hour column. Okay, it will become 1 hour. Okay, so that we will write in the hour column. Then we will add the hour one. 3 plus 1 is 4 and plus 1 is 5. So the answer which you will get 5 hours and 35 minutes. 5 hours and 35 minutes. Similarly, this question is also there. I have arranged the numbers first in the hour and the minute. 6 I have written in the hour column, 17 I have written in the minute column, 3 I have written in the hour column, and 45 I have written in the minute column. Then after I have started adding. So 7 plus 5 will be 12. So only the second digit I am writing here, that is 2. 1 I will take carry. After that, 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, you are getting 62 minutes. Okay, so if 62 minutes I am getting, my dear, if I will subtract 60 from it, okay, as I am knowing this, that 1 hour is just equal to 60 minutes. So if I will subtract 60 from this, then I will get 2 minutes. I will get 2 minutes. And this 1 hour, this 60 minute will be added in hour column by converting it into 1 hour. So now 6 plus 3 is 9, and plus 1 which you have subtracted from the minute will be added here in the hour column, and it will become 10 hours. So it will be 10 hours and 2 minutes. Okay, this will be the answer. So when you will see that in the minute column, if the minute in the minute column if you are seeing the number which after adding is more than, okay, is more than 60 minutes, then that 60 minute will be converted into hour, and that will be added in the hour column. Okay, and the rest all which is left, that will be written in the minute column, and which you have one, if 1 hour you are, if 1 minute you are getting, that one, sorry, if 1 hour you are getting, then that 1 hour you will add in the hour column. If 2 hours you are getting, then that 2 hours you will add in the hour column. So if we are getting more than 60 minutes in the minute column, then we used to convert it into the hour column, and then we used to add it into the hour column. Okay, similarly you can see this question. In this also we are adding. What we are doing, we are adding. Okay, so here three things are there. One is hour, one is minute, and one is second. So when we are doing this, first we will arrange the numbers according to the column. Okay, second, in the second column we will write the numbers which you have got in second. In the minute column we will write the numbers which we have got in minute, and the hour column is blank. There is no number given in hour column. After that, 3 plus 3 you will get 6, 1 plus 2 you will get 3, you will get 36 seconds, and 5 plus 0 will be 5, 4 plus 2 will be 6. So you are getting 65 here. 65 means you are getting if we are knowing that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, then the number which you are getting in the minute column is more than 60, is more than 60 minutes. So you can subtract 60 from 65, and 5 which is left, that 5 minus 0 when you will do, you will get 5, and 6 minus 6 when you will do, you will get 0. So this 5 minutes which you have got, my dear, that you will write in the minute column, whereas this 60 which you have subtracted from 65, that will go into the hour column. So that will be written in the just above the hour, and that will be written like this, and you will get the answer as 1 hour 5 minutes and 36 seconds. Okay, you will get the answer like this, because in the minute column we have got the digit more than 60, so we have subtracted 60 from the given digit, and then we have converted that 60 into hours. Okay, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, so that we have converted. Okay, so like this we have to do. If this kind of questions we will get. Similarly, you can see in this question also, it is written, there are three columns it is being made, one for hour, one is hour, one is minute, and one is second. It is three columns we have made. Okay, 3 plus 3 we will get 6, then 1 plus 2 we will get 3. Okay, so 36 seconds we have got. Okay, and that 36 is not more than 60, so we cannot convert it into the minute. Now we will add the minute column. 5 plus 0 will be 5, and 4 plus 2 will be 6. So when you are getting 65 minutes, okay, that 65 minute will be converted, okay, by subtracting 60 minutes from this. Okay, when you will subtract this, you will get 5 minutes. Okay, and this 60 minutes which you have subtracted from 65, that will go in the hour column as 1 hour. So 2 plus 1 you will get 3, and plus 1 you will get 4. So the answer which you will get after doing the calculation, you will get 4 hours 5 minutes and 36 seconds. I hope whatever I have explained that was clear, and with that, with the help of that, you will be able to complete the exercise. Okay, I'm hoping this, and I hope that I will see the copy when then everything will be completed in that copy. You're not going to give me the blank copies. Okay, so please complete all the things nicely. Still problem you will face. Okay, if you still anywhere you have not understood, you can go through the video. If still there you will face problem, you can come in the online classes, we will discuss together, so that others can also understand and others can be also able to do that. Okay, so if the problem will be there, don't hesitate, come to the online classes, we will discuss together. That is all, my dear. Thank you.